How to post on Shopee as a seller. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to post on Shopee as a seller. To start selling on Shopee.com, you need to open a web browser and search for the steps to get started. Once you're on the website, you will need to sign up for the shopping app and start listing your products. You can also join via the Shopee Seller Center. Make sure to provide complete details and verify your identity. After that, add your bank account details to receive your income. Then, you will have to select your preferred shipping channels. When you receive an order, arrange shipment to the shop-supported logistics and withdraw your earnings from your account. That's how you can post on Shopee as a seller. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.